two tigers, two Bengal tigers. They're cousins. So the sound that he's making right now is called a chuff, and it's a greeting. He's saying hello. They really like new people. We're never on that side of the fence with them. So my name is Linda Cava. I am a zoo animal keeper too at the Panaewa Zoo. We are County of Hawaii Parks and Recs.
Hello, beautiful. Hello.
I love the animals. I learn something new from them every day. I love the bond that I have with them. Keika and Keiki. I would love to be able to play with them and do the training and the behavior enrichment all day long, but it's mostly making sure they're healthy, making sure they're not living in their filth and clean water, and they look happy and healthy. Yeah. I'm Chicago, Illinois, but I grew up in Scottsdale, Arizona. I love Phoenix. I love the Phoenix Zoo, but we wanted a small town, and you know, Hawaii's beautiful. We could afford to buy a home here at the time, so yeah, that's what brought us here. I have always loved zoo animals, exotic animals, and so I didn't think I could be lucky enough to get a job here, but I thought I could volunteer here, but I was lucky enough to get a job, and I consider myself so fortunate. And I love both places, but the last 9 years of my career there in Phoenix, I was at the hospital, the animal hospital, and it was always the new animals that they were in quarantine or the sick or injured, and so they didn't want me.
Her name is Lilo.
The doctor. They don't want to go to the doctor, and I didn't have a relationship with those animals. So here I'm a normal keeper again, and so I have that relationship with them. It just depends on her. Yeah, you kind of know them, or if they're comfortable in their environment, or if they're like Sriracha, the tiger this morning. She knows maybe there's something out there in the zoo that she's not comfortable with, so she didn't want to go out. I guess I never knew that I liked being outdoors. I just liked animals, so animals are usually outdoors. I think that's what, yeah. I love them all here. There's a few that go to the top of the list, kinda. The tigers. I like primates too. I love them all, yeah. And there is the hair sheep here in petting zoo. She's kind of at the top of my list too. Yeah, she's a sweetheart. So handsome. I feel fortunate to have my job here. Grateful.